Good morning, kids! Welcome to another day with me. Just enjoy watching. Today, you will learn about synonyms and antonyms in English too. I am your teacher for today, Teacher Maricel. Kids, are you ready? Let's get started! Our objectives for today are: recognize synonyms or words that means the same. Provide synonyms to given words. Recognize the antonyms of words. Give the antonyms of the given word. Do you know what are synonyms? Synonyms are words with the same or similar in meaning. Let's look at the examples. What is the girl doing? The girl is yelling. The girl is shouting. Yelling and shouting are synonyms. What is in the picture? It is a baby. The baby is sleeping. The infant is sleeping. Baby and infant are synonyms. This is a ball. The ball is big. The ball is large. Big and large are synonyms. Did you understand what are synonyms, kids? Okay, let's move on to the next. What are antonyms? Antonyms are words that are opposite in meaning. Here are the examples. Cold, hot. Happy, sad. Big, small. Short, long. Old, young. Many, few. So, what are synonyms and antonyms? Synonyms are words with the same meaning, and antonyms are words with opposite meaning. Are you ready to answer the activities, kids? Let's go! In letter A, read each sentence. Circle the word that means the same or the synonym as the underlined word. Number 1, the girl is sick. What is the synonym of sick? Cute, sleepy, ill. The correct answer is ill. Number 2, mother gave me a gift. What is the synonym of gift? Present, box, square. The correct answer is present. Number 3. The ice is freezing. What is the synonym of freezing? Cold, hot, warm. The correct answer is cold. Number 4. The man is fat. What is the synonym of fat? Thin, stout, short. The correct answer is stout. Number 5. The girl is beautiful. What is the synonym of beautiful? Tiny, happy, pretty. The correct answer is pretty. I have here another one, kids. Antonym match. Match each word to its antonym using a line. In column A, number 1, little, 2, black, 3, wet, 4, pretty, 5, cold. In column B, A, hot, B, ugly, C, big, D, white, E, dry. Number 1, little. What is the antonym of little? The answer is C, big. Number 2, black. The answer is D, white. Number 3, wet. The antonym is E, dry. Number 4, pretty. The antonym is B, ugly. And number 5, cold. The antonym is hot. Thank you, kids. Till next video.